Yay, Slime Rancher 2. Oh, okay. I'm like,
We-
let's start the game, and then, oop. Oh, I don't even know half of these slimes.
That's gonna be a learning experience, isn't it?
What do I want? What's like? Ooh. Oh my god, you
I
can
don't know
pick
what's.
any of your icons. You know what? I'm gonna go with the tabby. Because tutorials, sure. Tar, why would I not? Feral, yes. You know what? Yes. Begin. Let's begin.
This is gonna be interesting for me because I've never played Slime Rancher in my life.
Well, now you get to experience it. Also, cute loading screen.
Ooh.
Love it already. Cool glass of carrot juice. Slime sees suddenly a boat arrived at her dock. Letter. Explored the far, far range from the dust. Yep, the dry reef, the glass desert. Worlds yet uncharted, Beatrix. Rainbow Island. Oh, interesting.
Is it lagging for you or is it
Probably just you.
fair enough?
Also, this game is way louder than I gave it credit for. I'm gonna have to turn it down a little bit. Conservatory overlooking the rest of the island.
That game.
It is. New adventure. Woo! I'm
Ooh.
excited already. Ooh. Whoa. Okay. Hold on. We just turn you down by like 5 there, Mr. Volume. Oh, this is so cool. Hey. God, look at these. Okay.
No idea what any of this means. You
Oh,
gonna jump the sprint?
yeah, I just did. It's time to get ranching. Hehe.
Maybe I should get the first game.
Oh, I got chicken do. You could. Chickens! Get the little
God.
baby chicklets.
You're a dork.
You love it.
I
Ooh,
love
carrots.
you. Am I allowed to say that here?
Yes. Me over here already trying to find everything.
Yeah, I see that.
A chicken! Oh, hello. That's not nothing. Never mind. I'm dumb. Don't look at that. That was not me being stupid. I don't know what you mean. I don't have my vac, I think. I don't have my hover. Yeah. Or I do if it's like very tiny. Ooh. Y'all stay in there. Take these. Oh, I do have money. Wait, can I... Hold on. You stay in here.
You know that probably hurts when they hit the ground, right?
It's fine. Gimme. Gimme your poops. That about covers the basics. Yeah, that's really what it'd be like.
That's literally it.
It's Slime Ranch.
This game
This
sounds.
is early access, so there's like not everything is like available yet.
There's online play?
Maybe? That's
Maybe
first I've ever heard of it. All I know is this is here, and I don't know what this is.
It looks like a Wi-Fi signal.
Well, if that's gonna be in this game, that's really cool. Maybe you can visit each other's. Ooh, that'd be cool. All right, time to explore. Time for me to get invested in this world and never come back. Where's the map? Oh gosh.
That's a big map.
The question is how much of it is available right now. Because if this is all available, goddamn. Rainbow Fields. Alright. Hello. Oh, that's water. Okay, I need the water upgrade for that. Got it. Ooh. Hydro turret. Wow, I unlocked that fast. Alright.
That does.
It's a machine I can make that, like, sprays water at things, if I so choose.
Interesting.
Hello, buddy. Whoa!
What happened?
A bunch of slimes came out.
I mean, yeah. How many can you hold it?
Probably a max of 20 right now, since my things aren't really upgraded. Okay. Eat. Instead of having you in my corral, I'm just gonna feed you here and then take your things.
That's the one.
It's fine. Bunnies!
I need to plug in. Is that the new update up?
Cotton slime.
Thanks for that.
I didn't hear what you said, really.
Is the 3.1 celebration thing going on right now for Genshin?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Also, look at these. It's so cute.
Bunny slime?
Yeah! It's a new one.
What's it called?
Cotton slime.
Might get it because button.
How do I go to my Slimepedia? There we go. Let's see. What do they eat? Let me see. They eat veggies. That makes sense. Hello. Eat this. You need sustenance. God, I miss my old slime rancher already.
Why? Because you were so much out of first. You had so much.
Yeah, having it being able to collect these having the corral being able to collect those for you, God, that made it so much easier.
I'm sure you'll get there.
I'm sure, yeah, eventually, but oof. Starting all over again is like insane. Trying to get enough for my bunnies. Here, Cotton, eat this. How much is these? Ooh, 27? A lot more. Love it.
It sounds like they're saying owl when you do that.
There
It's
you
not just
go.
me that hears it, right?
The little owl. Oh, yeah, I hear it. Whoops. ones are cute. I like them. I know there's like a orange butterfly one I saw.
Totally not playing Dokkan.
It's fine.
I mean, I'm like looking up and down after I do every like, you know, the orb thing you have to do.
Yeah.
After every orb thingy, I'm looking up. So, man, this team is good.
I haven't even like checked the map fully. There's like other places that I can go on my base, but I have a feeling those are locked.
Apps.
Usually you have to unlock the other parts by like buying them. Let me see. Yeah, let's see. Yep. How much are you? Oh, you're a lot. Alright. Oh, hello, chick. Let me just take that. Put into the hen. Witness, or this is what I'm gonna be doing in my free time.
When you're not with me,
Yeah.
like super late at night.
Yes, exactly. Oh,
Babe,
look at that! There's already a fusion.
Babe, you really need to fix your sleep.
Look at this fusion. Look at this big boy.
I see it, babe.
Largo boy.
What's it called?
It's a pink cotton slime fused together, but they're called Largos when they're fused. Hello. Accessing G. What? Well, here we are again. I'm sending the drones out to their original scouting locations. Once I confirm the conditions and I think it will work. This place, I still remember being in awe of the rainbow fields. It felt like being in a beautiful dream. It ended too much soon. Oh. Might as well collect these since these are here. When it's nighttime, I bet the phosphorus slimes are gonna come out. That's gonna be fun.
Phosphorus? You mean like fucking fire?
No, like they're like, ooh. Look at that. Beautiful. I wonder how much is in this update. Ooh, chicks. Oh, there's the phosphorus slimes. See?
Yeah.
They only can come out at night, and I don't have enough money to get them a corral that's like a nighttime corral, so I kind of just have to not have them in my thing. So, sorry. Ooh, refinery. Oh, hello. Angler. Wait, angler? Battery. So many new slimes. So many new things. Also, did not expect this to be here. Oh, hello. And we're hauling Jellystone. Ah, okay. Love that all this is already going to be in the game. An upgrade is needed to harvest this. What? Oh god, it's already my time. Are those tabbies? No! I want to get up there now. Ooh, hello. Blueprint. Oh, for some trees? I don't need any trees.
You can make Emerald Hill Zone.
yeah, I'm sure. Right now I'm more preoccupied. I'm more preoccupied going up there to get some tabbies. Tabbies!
The fuck is a tabby?
Kitty slimes. They only eat meat.
Interesting.
And they are adorable.
Nice.
So, more map. Hello, Mr. Map. I will take you. I wonder if this is it. Or unless I wonder if we can get there. Hold on, how do I get there? That way.
Honestly, that is probably it.
Well, it's time to check. But I see more slimes over here, so I am excited. Hello? Yeah, it looks like I can't really get over there. Damn.
I mean, today is Tuesday, so there's probably not gonna be.
Yeah, it's early access. I'm still excited though. Oh, hello. Oh, I already read you. Okay, I should probably get back to the base and put my new things, my new pets. Oh god! Oh, they're gonna die! I wish I could help you. Those are tar slimes. Actually, I should probably suck one of them to like... Yep. Ah! The tar. They're evil. They happen when 3 fusions happen. Ooh, those look so pretty. God, the phosphor slimes look so pretty in this game.
Like you.
Oh. You flatter. Oh! Big boy!
That's right.
Hello, big boy.
It's like he's blocking your way.
You need to feed him until they explode. Okay,
Oh.
where is he? He's right here? That's good to remember.
That's morbid.
Yeah, well, he's in my way.
You're in my way, therefore I must blow you up.
You must be exploded.
You must be exterminated.
And now that's where I'm gonna end this episode. Once I explode them and find out what's behind them.
No,
That's
that
gonna
might
be the
a
goal
while.
for this episode.
That's gonna be a while.
No, it's not gonna be a while. I just need to get a bunch of fruit.
Do I have to be here for every
No.
episode? Well, if I want to be here for every episode,
I mean, if you wanna be, you wanna be.
would you let me?
Oh god, they're already trying to climb out.
Can they get out?
It's happening. Yeah, it's not a big corral. Look at, they're trying to stack themselves to get out. Vicious creatures.
They don't like being in captivity?
Of course, no. Well, I mean, they do, but like, you know, I'd rather not be. Yes, enough for my tabbies.
That's what you care about?
Well, I want more corrals for my slimes.
There.
The more corrals I have, the more pets I can get, and the more stuff. Eat your favorite food. When you feed them their favorite kind of specific food, they give you twice the amount of quartz, which is always a nice thing to see. Alright. Now begins my journey of... Wait, hello. Oh, you. What's up, Victor?
You mean Victor?
Sup, Victor? Alright. Usually, these have, like, daily things in the game where you can, like, give them stuff and they give you stuff back. Mysterious boat takes you to a mysterious island. A mysterious code for mysterious island. I forgot. Take this home portal. It should make early stages. Oh, oh, thank God. That's cool. So that's what that does. You can like call them. Interesting. Alright. How I build stuff, they still have not really... Oh, that's how. Gadget mode. Right, T. Where do I want my... Actually, it would be right here. Let me see. I wish I knew how to install this. Alright.
How big was this game?
I don't even know.
So you downloaded it and not looking at how much space or how much space the game was?
Nope.
You are not a computer guy.
No, I'm not. Oh, look, there's the boat we came from.
The boat.
I was wondering where that was.
Touch the butt.
Touch the butt. Alright, I need fruit. Because that is what that slime eats. The phosphor one. And I might as well collect some plorts while I'm out here. Oh, hello. They are adorable.
Kill it.
No,
Burn it.
never.
Why not?
They are adorable and they are mine. As long
You're not gonna
as-
take fusions?
Okay, hot take for me, but like... Oh, I hear tar music. That's not good. I like the fusions, but I'd rather just have a bunch of corrals of their normal forms. You know what I mean? Call me weird like that, but that's what I like doing. It's a lot more proficient to have fusions, so they can eat more than one thing that they eat. But I'm just weird, so...
As the person dating you, I think I would know.
Oh! Heart cell! Hey! Use the fabricator. Upgrade to heart module. Ah, yes, I can give myself more health.
Health?
Health.
More health.
More health.
Man, you're like me every time I play COD. I like jumping around and sprint.
I hear tar music. It does not fill me with, like, excitement. It fills me with
That's so you
dread.
would despair.
Nah, it fills me with dread.
Despair.
Heart lettuce. Water lettuce. Oh, this is what these slimes like. That's a whole new thing. Alright, that's cool. Hold on. You like this. Eat this. Hey.
Jesus Christ, you hit him in the face so hard it blew him back when you got it.
He loves it.
Does he?
Yes. Alright. Looking for more fruit. So I can forcefully feed... Oh, hello. You gotta give it this, though. This game is hella cute.
I mean, it looks good.
Climb. Okay. Oh, hello. Look at this big boy.
Oh.
Where are you on the map, good sir? You're right here. Okay. Good to... Oh, hello. Instantly grabbed a chicken and forcefully fed it to him. I was like, take this.
Didn't even give him a choice.
Shit. Well, there goes everything I just got.
Oh, you died?
Yeah.
How'd
Owie.
you die?
I fell in the water.
You idiot.
Hey, look. Oh my god, there. Nah! Get back in there. It is not my fault, okay?
Boom.
You fucking
Jumped
dicks.
in.
God, I hate it when they're hungry. They jump so high.
Feed him then, please.
You bitch! Don't even have enough for high walls. The audacity. Oh god, they're jumping everywhere already. Well, it's not my fault I died and they were able to get out. You're just chicken.
Actually, that's a hen hen.
Shish. Semantics.
It's funny coming from you since you always argue semantics with me.
Exactly.
You fucking asshole.
Okay. I need high walls. How expensive are high walls? Because they already are getting on my nerves. 260. Got
60.
it.
I was off a unit. Yeah,
Which means I am gonna have to hold on to all these slimes. so they don't jump out of here and do their own thing. Get back here. You two tabbies, you're coming along for the we're going on a field trip. Field trip. Field trip until I can get high walls for all of you. Okay, well I can get high walls for the pinks at least, so they get it first.
Just freeze up space. And your little gun thingy.
Yes. See, look how high the walls are now. Haha! Can't get out now, bitches.
They'll find a way out, probably.
They're trying! Look at them over there. Look, can't wait until I can get the roof. Alright. Hopefully, some fruit, yes, have come back, which is always good. And these guys are already fusing.
Does that mean they're fucking?
No, it's more like one of them eats the other one's poop, and then they kind of like form into that.
Oh. That's a lot less elegant.
A lot less elegant. Yeah, I know. It's a way of phrasing
Rarity
it.
would say. As Rarity would say, that's a lot less elegant.
Yes.
Simply divine.
Simply divine. Simply not divine watching them fire. Okay. Well,
She
I
sounds like
have another bunny slime, so.
She sounds like Big Not very pink.
I'm getting a lot of carrots, so I can give that to the big boy pink. Okay, I can talk.
Pink big one, yeah.
Yes,
I
pink
get it.
big boy, pink big boy.
You mean the pink Largo? Largo? Or is it
They're called like a
What was-
oh hello.
Gordo.
Gordos.
Gordo?
He's Yaml. God, you fat.
He's hungry.
Fat boy. Okay. Wait, what's that
The
one?
meat-
Oh, okay.
The meat.
No, oh my God, babe.
You love it.
Oh. Uh oh.
That tar is murdering everything.
Oh, and he's gonna start.
Murder.
Mermaid murder.
I'm so glad you get that right now.
Chickens. Chickens also count as food for this pink slime, so I will take them.
Morbid if you think about it. You're feeding live chickens to that.
What?
fucker.
That's what ranching is, though.
I wouldn't know.
You feed animals other animals sometimes. It's gotta happen.
I mean, I've had to throw away one too many pigeons from my own dog, so.
Run away, slimes. You don't deserve to get eaten by the tar. What am I doing? I can totally help them. I can get rid of the tar. Oh God, never mind.
No, you can't.
Hold on. Yay! Stop multiplying!
Multiplying the gay rabbit.
Nah, you bitch! Okay. I killed them. There's more over there, but don't worry. They're fine.
For now.
I saw another one. Hello, I have brought some chickens.
It's the same big guy? Or a different
Yes. Still hungry.
one?
I could give him the fruit, but I'm saving those for the phosphor slime. Whoa! Ah!
I'm dying.
You think? No!
Did you just kill it?
No. Anyone
you
who
do?
actually knows Slime Rancher knows what I just did.
I don't know what you did. What did you do?
There was the golden slime, which gives you a lot of money if you collect this quart. And it dropped it, and I threw the chicken on it, added on accident, and then the golden quart just kind of flew off into the water. So I wasted like a lot of money there that I could have just gotten.
You dingus.
Don't stop being mean.
Oh yeah, me calling you a dingus is mean.
I know what I did was stupid.
People are gonna think I'm abusive.
Oh my gosh.
Catherine already does.
Wait, Lucky? Damn it, I don't have any chicken for you. I don't...
You didn't have any space either.
I couldn't suck him up to begin with. He's not like a suckable up thing, but like... Damn it. Oh.
That's a big boy.
That's a pink big... There's a bunny.
Cotton big boy.
Okay, where are you on the map, good sir? You were there. And the phosphor one's like right over here, so... Oh, thank God, it marks them on my map for me. Okay. I'll feed you 1 carrot. So hopefully that marks you on the map for me now. Okay. I died over there.
Yeah, no. I watched it happen. Those two riding each other?
Yeah? Sometimes they like to bounce on each other. What can you do? How long have I been recording, honestly? 32 minutes? Oh, shit. Get back your carrot. No, I don't have any chicken for you. That's such a... Damn, that little Lucky Slime. I wish he was sticking around a little bit longer. Did I just loot myself back to the corrals? I did, actually.
Isn't that what you were trying to do?
I mean, no, I was kind of just looking for more food to feed to the slimes, but, I mean, hey. Can I jump over? Ooh, I can. That's death. I love climbing. Whee! Imagine if you took fall damage.
Can't?
Actually, I mean, I think you can. I just forgot how, like, far the fall damage goes for, like, how long you have to fall for until it happens. Ah, damn, I wish I could collect you, but I can't. I have no room. Okay, I feel like I have enough carrots, right? Here, that Lucky Slime. Well, hello. You thought? Okay, 20 carrots, that has to be enough. Like, right? That has to be enough for the pink one. Hello. Well, it's chickens. Hey, baby, ready to see him explode? He should explode.
Perhaps.
Ah!
Jeez, that was morbid. Or at least he's reborn, kinda.
Oh. Water! What does this do? Oh! Oh, hold on. Where does this lead me to? I'm trying to be like, where does this take me? Oh, I can get up here now. Okay, what are you? Whoa. That is not what I expected to happen, but that was cool. Where does this go? Oh god.
Weird.
Ember Valley. Ooh! Oh. I like it.
Maybe explore that island another time.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, for once I'm right.
Yeah, no. I'm excited, but you're right. I
You've got
must
to explore.
I
all the
must wait
islands
until I explode all of the slimes.
You gotta explore all the islands on recording. Can't do it on your own.
Yeah, I have to explode all the other slimes first on this island. Okay. Which one should I go for first? Let's go for the bunny. Since I have a bunch of carrots anyway. Do we remember where the bunny was? He's over there, right? I think so.
Look on your map, you dingus.
I know, but like I'm too lazy.
Hey, it's one button.
Like, shush. Oh god. Uh-oh. Hello.
I really hope you don't die. We have a lot of food.
It's fine. Eat this.
So the objective is just to explode the one.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of some of the pogo fruit I have by feeding it. Okay, this way. I should just go straight and I should reach the phosphor largo. Or Gordo. Right?
Oh.
Yeah, there he is. Jesus, alright. There was more fruit this way. Yeah, here.
Oh.
Yeah, there's more. Right where I left them. Are there any veggies around here that they have not eaten yet? Yes, actually. Oh. Uh-oh. Hey! Get out of here! This is my spot. Hey! Hey! Come here! Not for you. Here, your favorite. Good. Oh no. Lots of death going on here.
Yeah. Not really much you can do to stop it.
No, honestly. I mean, those water... Okay, water defeats them. So you know those water turrets I got? If I, like, put one of them in this area, it would, like, spray them automatically and kill them. Oh, you're close. I might as well collect more of this, so I can just collect more plorts to make some more money, because I have not been making money, and I should be doing that. There is a lot of death going on around here, I've realized. But that's to be oh my god, babe, look at this.
Maybe you should run.
I'm busy collecting poop.
Babe, run.
No. Also, this always happens at nighttime, because that's when the phosphorus slimes come out and 3 ray fusions happen, so this is what tends to happen. I'm used to it. Trust, anyone that's played Slime Rancher is, like, used to this. Let's go back to base. Excuse me, monstrosities. Oh god. Just watched one phosphorus slime get, like, eaten by 3 of those.
Yeah.
Hello. Another thing I need to do is make a farm inside my corrals.
Firm?
Yes. Oh, good. They have not escaped. See those high walls? Doing justice. Sorry, guys. I know you're hungry. I know.
Did they die of starvation?
No. Unless that's a new feature they added.
That would be great if they did.
That would be terrifying. Damn. Really? I'm like, that's this far off from, like, high walls? Fuck you. Hold on. I'm feeding the chicken. Eat this. Give me your poop so I can get a thing for high things. Thank you. Should I give it to the cats or the bunnies first?
I don't know. That's up to you, babe. Which one do you like?
The bunnies give more, so I'm gonna give it to the bunnies.
There you go.
Okay.
8 monies.
Alright, you always got high walls. Tabbies, you're gonna have to wait it out a little bit more. Oh, I have a call. Hello. Oh, Mochi. What's up, Mochi? It's just uncharted territory. Could you at least give me a heads up? Honestly, so. W collect all those valuable resources. Uh-huh. Be careful out there. Gives me a weird kind of vibe. I don't like that everyone. Ooh, I don't like that everyone has been like, this island's giving you a weird vibe. Like, is something gonna happen on this island at some point in your endgame?
Probably.
Oh boy. Alright. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Alright, morning, time to see what's on the new. Oh god, there's tars everywhere. Okay, I need fruit and veggies, and like I am not finding any of these. I mean, to be fair, it is like a new day, so that was like a. Oh, did you hear that voice crack? Oh, bye.
What's the bad one?
Veggies. Oh, and fruit. Are those stony chicks? No, those are just normal chicks. Although I will minus. Hey! Alright! My veggies. Not yours. I'm gonna collect little baby chicklets so they can grow up to be big and fat and then be fed to my slimes. Does that sound morbid?
Yes! It does!
That's whatever.
Yeesh.
It's the circle of life, babe. Alright. God, you are almost... I'm very excited to see where these two slimes get me. Because that pink one got me a whole new map, so... I have a feeling one of these other ones will get the other part of the other map that I saw. Oh! Hey, what's up? Give me your poops. These are nice. That sounds so weird, but whatever.
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Weirdo.
Ooh, look at this. Nice. Oh. I know what this is.
Well, we blew up the right slime, right?
Yes, but I need a cat poopy.
Well, now.
I need a plort from a tabby. Which means I need to find a chicken. Which there are some at my base, so that works out.
I would say, don't you have like 5,000 base?
Am I going the right way? Yes, I am. Okay.
Don't you have a thing that teleports you back to your base?
I need to like put that somewhere, I believe. Here, fucking take this fruit. Here you go, little chicklets. This is your new home. I need 1 chicken. Nice. Okay. Here, hold on. Kitty, eat this. Don't worry. Help. Eat the chicken. Eat it! Thank you. Alright, now I get to show you, babe, what I meant. Because I remember there was a puzzle way back when. In Slime Rancher 1 where it involved these, and now I remember what these are. Oh, I remember that really well. Hey, babe.
Yeah?
See?
Oh. Well then.
Ooh. Tank liner. Upgrade your Vax tank guard. Ooh. Interesting. Alright. That'll be useful upgrade when I can do that. I guess the last thing to do is to blow up the rabbit. And then I guess I can end this episode and see where that one takes me. As soon as I can get more veggies. In the meantime, I might as well collect some of this. God, look at him. He's so big.
Feed him the tabbies. No?
What? I didn't hear what you said.
Feed him the tabbies.
Feed him the tabbies? Yeah, well, imagine. That'd be so mean.
That'd be great. Can tabbies and cottonwoods fuse?
Yeah, all of them confused. You know what? You bring up a good question. I wonder what they look like.
You bring up a good question.
Like, yeah, though, honestly. Oh,
Double ears.
I'll have to look at that one time. We'll have to look at that. Actually, I can look at that. Hold on. Take this. Oh! Oh! Look at them. They're kind of cute. Also, look at that bunny stack that's going on back there.
What is going on over there?
Ah!
Did they just fall?
Oh, wait. What's that down here?
I wouldn't test it.
Hello. What'd you guys... Hey, what'd you guys find me? Ooh. They knew what they were doing. They sacrificed themselves to show me where there was a secret. Power chip. Ooh, nice. Okay. Thank you, bunnies. Your sacrifice will not be in vain.
It was definitely in vain.
Shut up. Oh, that's cute. I like when the tabbies do that.
And when
Who
they
cares? They like, yeah, like to hold random things.
like a real cat.
Yeah, pretty much.
Fucking cat.
I'm hunting for carrots.
I'm hunting for rabbits.
More carrots. The more carrots I get, the bigger. Carrots! Okay, this has to be enough for that goddamn bunny. This literally has to be enough. I almost just fell.
I would have left.
Mean. Oh my god, look, you see the bunny ears. How big he's gotten.
Fucking hell. You're the big boy.
Alright. Yep. Whoa. Oh, you blocking a hole.
You bitch.
Nice. Hey. Whoa.
And what's that?
Proud. Whoa. Oh, that's over there? Okay, well, I was right that was leaky. Oh, now I need it. Hold on. We'll finish this episode by checking out where that goes, or what that place is called. How do I get over there? Actually, I don't even know.
I knew, babe. I wish I knew.
Oh, this way. I got it. I got it. There, see? I figured it out.
Good job, babe.
Condescending.
Huh?
What?
Did you call me condescending?
No.
Yeah, you did.
Let's go! Starlight Strand. Ooh.
Pretty.
This is a pretty place, yeah. I like it. Alright, we'll explore it next time.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, while we're off cam, I'm probably gonna like fix up my ranch. Alright.
Next time, Slime
Alright.
Rancher.
Next time on Slime Rancher, I'll die.
Absolutely.
Alright, so next time. Bye everyone.